Our generation has grown up in a world which is dominated by Hollywood movies and seasons. Our generation has grown up in a world where the white man is seen as the pinnacle of the humans. But over the years, I started noticing something. I started noticing that we, brown guys, actually have an unfair advantage. Since the world is dominated by all the white people, everything you do as a brown guy, you get attention and results with almost half the effort. So for example, in the world dominated by white personal development gurus, Tony Robbins, Tim Ferriss, Gary Vee's, if you're a brown personal development guy, it's easy to stand out. In a world dominated by Western backpackers, if you're a brown guy living as a digital nomad, you just stand out. From sports team to attention you get from the women everywhere, you have easier. The point is that the lack of something is better than abundance of something. And for you and me as brown guy, we're growing up in a world where we are at an advantage. So I hope this 1 minute helps rewire one of the skills that you always had and get you the confidence that you might have lost as well.